Greetings, folks. We are installing this valve. One of the things I want to cover is how this assembles. It's very important. You have this blue wire here, and if you look, there is a spade connector and there is a little plastic thing here, and that can be installed actually a couple places. It can be on the front, and it installs essentially like you drop it in over here, but that wire slips in first like this. Make sure the wire is in there completely, so you see the spade connector. So you can actually see that spade connector. And it's being inserted. There it is. Very important that that's there. And it's in there right, because if this isn't right, it's not going to work. So just wanted to show you that. And the other thing I want to show you, so what you're connecting is the end of this thing. It's got a bulb on it. When you connect it to the back of the gas valve, this here is going to be inserted, or it could be on the front of your gas valve. Make sure that spade is in there. You tuck your wire in, and you can see what I'm talking about, that little white thing. Make sure you can look through the hole and see the spade. When you screw this together, it's finger tight only. So you screw it all the way, get it totally finger tight. Maybe take a wrench and give it 1/4 turn, no more. You collapse that valve, you short out everything. This valve will not work. You have to replace this whole copper tube. So that's the most important thing. Again, this wire, this blue wire, must be in contact with this copper wire. So if your valve is on the front, simply move it over very easily and install it wherever the thermal couple or thermal pile is connected to yours. On mine, it happens to connect from the rear. So I wanted to show you that. It's very important. I wanted to show you one other thing. Here is your pilot assembly, and this guy here goes like this and feeds this guy here, which is your pilot hood. This is made out of soft aluminum. Be careful you don't break it. If you break it and you're in the field and you're going, oh my God, what am I going to do now? There is a way to fix it. There's your end and your tube. What you have to do is make sure the tube, the end of it, is round. You have to drill out the old aluminum in this. You have to be able to insert it. So you may have to sand it down or file it down until it goes together. Then you would need to solder that on in order to make it work. Now that's how you'd repair it if you had broke this like I did last week and didn't have a replacement. Now the key is you want to check it and make sure it doesn't leak. If it's leaking, you're going to get gas buildup underneath your fireplace, which can create an explosion. So I'm telling you ahead of time, don't blow yourself up.